If your Assurance wireless phone is damaged, lost, or malfunctioning, you may be eligible for a replacement. Let's walk through the eligibility requirements and step-by-step process. You qualify for a phone replacement if your device is damaged with a cracked screen or hardware issues, completely lost or stolen, or malfunctioning with software or hardware problems. The replacement process involves several clear steps. First, you need to verify your eligibility and current enrollment status. You can verify your eligibility through the Assurance Wireless online portal by logging into your account or by contacting customer service directly for assistance. Once eligibility is confirmed, you can select from available phone options based on your account status and submit your replacement order. Standard replacement orders typically take 5 to 7 business days to process and ship to your address. Once you receive your replacement phone, you can activate it yourself through the automated system or get help from customer service. For urgent situations, expedited options may be available, including emergency replacement, in-store pickup at limited locations, and express shipping for an additional fee. This completes the phone replacement process overview. Remember to keep your account information current and contact customer service if you have any questions about your eligibility or the replacement process. Understanding phone upgrades with Assurance Wireless involves knowing the timing requirements and available options. Unlike replacements for damaged phones, upgrades allow you to get a newer or better featured device. First, it's important to understand the difference between a replacement and an upgrade. A replacement is for damaged, lost, or malfunctioning devices, while an upgrade moves you to a newer device with better features. The standard waiting period between upgrades is 12 months. This timeline starts from your last upgrade or when you first received your device. However, exceptions may be made for device failures that occur before the 12-month period ends. As of 2024 and 2025, Assurance Wireless has significantly expanded its smartphone offerings. The program now includes more Android devices with improved specifications, including larger storage capacity of 32 to 64 gigabytes and better camera quality. The program is also transitioning eligible customers to 5G-capable devices in select markets. This aligns with T-Mobile's network infrastructure improvements and provides faster data speeds where 5G coverage is available. To check your upgrade eligibility and available options, keep an eye on your account dashboard. The online portal launched in late 2023 makes it easier to see when you're eligible for an upgrade and what devices are available to you. Remember that upgrades are subject to device availability and your specific plan terms. Not all devices may be available in all areas, and some advanced features may require certain plan levels. Always verify the details through your account or customer service before expecting a specific device.